Hi everybody, it's Richard here with an Electroneum update. So lots has been going on. Probably we've paused pretty much everything in terms of moving commercials forwards and things until after the important update we've got coming on 30th of May. So I just want to cover a few bits about that. I've got some exciting news as well to impart after that. And I think we'll start out with talking about this update that's coming on the 30th of May. So there's a few things I need to cover. One, if you're just using my.electroneum.com as a wallet, or you're just using the app, you don't need to do anything at all. Just literally ignore it, you'll be completely fine. If you're running a pool or running an exchange or running your own node, so there's slightly more technical things, then you will need to update as fast as you can to the latest code base on the Electroneum GitHub. You'll find the link in the blog post that we're putting out on our website today. So make sure you get those updates in. But otherwise, everything's working exceedingly well. It's going to plan. We've tested that update so much, it's ridiculous. We've forked on our testnet dozens and dozens and dozens of times. Found a few things, fixed them, found a few more things, fixed them, haven't found anything since we've been testing it all of last week and all of this week. So that code base that's out there is good, ready to go for the 30th. We know that most of the exchanges, we're in contact with all of them, most of the exchanges have updated already, some of them are in the process of updating as we speak, so they're nearly all ticked off. All the major pools have already updated, one or two of the smaller ones are in the process of updating. So as long as everybody follows the plan and makes sure they're using the updated software, there will be absolutely no problem whatsoever. Even if only most people update, remember that the exchanges are the most important thing because that's where it turns into real money. So the exchanges are already all done, so nothing to worry about the 30th. One more thing to talk about with the 30th is some people are getting a bit confused over the fact it's an update, which technically means it is a fork. But this is not a fork like Bitcoin has forked into multiple currencies or Ethereum has forked into multiple currencies. Whilst technically we are forking the blockchain, one part of it will just die away and we'll just keep moving forwards. And this is what Monero, which we used their original code base from, has. This is what they do every 6 months. They just fork to and fro. So everybody just adopts. Now there are one or two other people that are trying to launch coins on the back of us doing this update. They're sort of claiming perhaps that their coin is something to do with us after the fork, but it is nothing to do with us. You have absolutely nothing to worry about. We are not turning into two currencies. We are still the Electroneum and none of the others. There's a few imposters around, but it's the usual world of crypto, I'm afraid. Now, so moving on from there, we've got good news about something called the BCI Summit. This is the Blockchain Investors Summit in New York. It's a prestigious event. I am very privileged to have been invited to speak alongside other industry experts and some people that I've looked up to in crypto for quite some time. So from my perspective, it's going to be a really exciting thing for me to do, and I think it's an exciting thing for Electroneum as well. So I am attending a panel on mass market adoption of cryptocurrency, which of course is us. So we are pretty well versed in how to achieve that and what it's going to look like. We've also got some other potential for some other panel discussions, and I've got a speaking slot there as well. So it's going to be quite exciting. Now, BCI Summit are running a competition, and we, I think, can do something quite good for them, and in turn they've said they'll do something good for us as Electroneum. So they will help our reach and push us out into well, pretty much everywhere they can, and they've got some pretty high-powered people. So if we can do this, it'd be really good for Electroneum. They're trying to get their user numbers up or their follower numbers up on Twitter. So they're running a competition. There are 2 tickets available. VIP, so you'll get flights, accommodation, and tickets to the event. And all you need to do is follow them on Twitter and just let them know via the competition entry form. So the details are on our blog post on our website. But if you could do it, you'd be helping me out, you'd be helping Electroneum out as a project, and you'd be helping out BCI Summit as well. So, and hopefully, keep my fingers crossed that an Electroneum user is the one who wins those VIP tickets, and I look forward to meeting you there. So that happens on the 11th and 12th of June. I will be there for both days as I'm presenting and talking on both of those days. I should also spend the rest of the time there, of course, networking and furthering Electroneum to the best of my abilities, as always. Meanwhile, we'll probably have another update at the end of this week or the beginning of next. We're moving very close to that fork. It's all going to go swimmingly. Fingers crossed. It's going to go well. So look forward to talking to you again soon. Thanks, guys.